Hi folks, this is Steve.
Hi, this is Peter.
Here to talk about one of the best-selling masks, pronounced ETIQA.
Before we start, we're going to be doing a giveaway of the ETIQA masks at the end of the video, so stick around to figure out how to participate.
ETIQA is one of my personal favorite brands. It's the #1 selling mask in Korea, popular amongst celebrities, and was once known as a luxury brand.
The ETIQA brand, I usually prefer the 3D style mask, but then for the ETIQA brand, I would make an exception and wear it also because it's really comfortable.
All right, Peter will introduce the different types of ETIQA masks we offer.
So for the ETIQA masks, they come in black as well as white, and then we have two different styles. So the first style is the basic mask, which is what Steve's currently wearing. And then the other style is what I'm currently wearing, which is the round style. These two, there isn't much of a difference between the materials or anything within the mask, but the shapes of the mask is just slightly different. So for the round mask, there's an extra extension towards the ears, which offers a little more coverage than the basic mask. And sometimes you can say that it fits a little bit bigger.
So Peter, what's the best way that I could find the right mask for me for ETIQA?
Since there's so many different varieties of the ETIQA mask, and the fit of a 2D mask is very important. So the best way that you can get the mask to try them out is by ordering from the ETIQA 10-piece sampler kit. By using the sampler kit, you can order different sizes of the mask to try out to see which one fits you the best. So Steve, do you have anything else to add to the video?
Yeah, Peter, what about these cases?
Oh, so these are ETIQA mask cases. They're designed to hold the masks when you have to take them off temporarily. So you can open up the case, put the mask in, and then close it. You can keep your mask clean. It comes in 3 different colors, so you can match your outfit to the different colors that it has. So we have blue, pink, and white. So you can add it to your order as an option.
So how much does it cost and where can I get it?
So you can find the ETIQA masks on our website at BeHealthyUSA.net. So the ETIQA brand, there's a 10-piece option, which you can get the sampler kit where you can mix and match different sizes to see which one fits you, and that is currently $35. And then right now, and then from there, you can also get different quantities of 10 for varying prices. But currently, the best promotion we have is for 100 pieces, which is $200, and it comes with one of these free cases. And all these prices, so it's 100 pieces for $200, and with that, you can add whatever Be Healthy promo code that is currently ongoing.
Okay, so what about the giveaway?
So we're going to be giving away the ETIQA masks to the first 3 commenters that can tell us how many times we said be healthy throughout the whole video. That concludes our video. This has been a ETIQA review from Be Healthy. This has been Peter.
This has been Steve. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our video.
Stay safe.
Be healthy.
Bye.
안녕.
you.